Happy Vlogmas Day 11. I can't believe we are already into the double digits of December. December is going, sorry, moving you back to my tripod. Yeah, December is going insanely quick. I think partly due to Vlogmas and vlogging every day. I'm having a ton of fun doing Vlogmas, even though it is a bit tiring, especially editing every day. Definitely wish I had an editor, but we'll get there at some point. This period is honestly just kicking my ass. My past few have for whatever reason. And it just honestly killed my motivation to do much of anything today. So I figure for today's vlog, since I'm starting much later in the day than I thought I would be, it is 8:35 in the evening, I'm gonna go ahead and make a little brownie mug and just talk about some of my favorite Christmas movies with you guys. My aunt sold for a company called Shirley J a few years ago and gave me some of their little like mugging kits that they have, and one of them was a brownie, which I absolutely fell in love with. But she no longer sells it and it's a bit pricey in store, so I don't want to go buy it. So I decided to find my own recipe. So I made one, oh god, this was like 2-3 months ago now that I made this for the first time, and I am only like 90% sure this is the recipe that I found, but this one seems close enough, so we're just going to run with it. Is that? Yes. Okay. So it is a, I just need a knife, quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of flour, a pinch of salt, which I'll grab here in a second, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. A little more than a pinch, but it's fine. And then you'll mix up the dry ingredients. And while I'm mixing this up, I figure I would talk about get this in the frame, my first favorite Christmas movie that I want to talk about, which is How the Grinch Stole Christmas. This has been one of my favorites ever since I was little. And oh my, I just made a mess. Okay, well. Anyways, I think one of the big reasons why I enjoy the movie so much is because one realization I've had as an adult is that the Grinch is not hating on the holiday itself, he's hating on the people, which in the consumerism, which I 100% agree with and feel. Oh, hang on. Okay, Nathan called and I don't remember where I was, but let me tilt you up a little bit. Basically, Grinch, one of my favorite Christmas movies for 2 reasons. I've realized as an adult the Grinch is hating on the people, which I agree with, not so much on the holiday, which I feel greatly. And the second reason that I love the movie, other than it's just a cute Christmas movie, is my favorite Christmas song is Where Are You Christmas, which is from that movie. So I feel like I'm gonna say this with everything, but I absolutely love that movie and I can't wait to watch it this year. Now, back to the brownie. Okay, so now that all of the dry ingredients are mixed together, we're gonna add in the wet ingredients, which is 2 tablespoons of oil. I don't remember if I said this, but I will have this recipe linked down below for you guys. A quarter cup of water, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and instead of peanut butter, I'm going to use the Reese's peanut butter chips. And then a quarter teaspoon of vanilla is the last thing. A quarter teaspoon. Whoa, a little much on the vanilla, but that's fine. I'm gonna add the Hershey's, the Reese's Chips in a minute. And while I'm stirring this up, I want to talk about, I'm trying to figure out what order I want to talk about these in, sorry. I'll talk about my next favorite Christmas movie. Also, these are in no particular order, at least as of now. But the next one I want to talk about is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. This one is absolutely hilarious. It's been quite a few years since I've seen it, so I don't remember all of the details. But basically, the whole family gets together for Christmas. A few people come in from out of town. One of the brothers, I believe, brings their RV, and it's just a giant family reunion shit show. It's everything that you would expect a family Christmas to be. So it is highly entertaining to watch, and I definitely recommend it if you have not seen it. Okay, I had to switch dry whisk to get everything mixed together. But the next movie I want to talk about is another childhood favorite. It is the Polar Express. This is a horrible angle, but this is based off of the book, which I have as well. It's actually on my coffee table. I love pulling it out at Christmas time. But the big reason why I like the Polar Express in particular, other than it being a childhood favorite, is it just reminds me of just kind of like the young kid spirit of Christmas and celebrating and like just being excited for like Santa to come and everything like that. So it is just another really fun movie. Okay, I'm gonna throw in the, someone just says chips. Ooh, that was kind of a lot, oh well. And then I'm gonna throw in some, I think pecans. Okay, yep, some chopped pecans because I love my nuts. Give that a quick stir together. Now that we've got everything all stirred together, we are going to heat this up in the microwave for 60 seconds. And while that's heating up, I figure we'll talk about my last couple of favorite Christmas movies. So, these are in no particular order. These last couple that I'm talking about, hang on, let me fix the angle, are probably my favorite movies, I would have to say, but I don't know which one's my favorite because they're just both so good. So the next one I want to talk about is A Christmas Story. This has been a tradition in my family ever since I was little to watch A Christmas Story, especially where FX, I think it's FX at least, does a 24 hours of A Christmas Story on Christmas Eve. So this is one of my dad's favorite Christmas movies, and it's another classic. It's so cute, it's a lot of fun, it's another great like comedic Christmas movie. And the last couple that I want to talk about is a series, which I'm sure you guys know right away what it is, which is another just comedic series with Tim Allen called The Santa Claus. So if you guys haven't seen The Santa Claus, I cannot recommend it enough. It is just such a fun, wholesome Christmas series, since I think there's 4 movies, there's either 3 movies or 4 movies, I don't remember, but I love how, I don't remember her character's name, but I love how Tim Allen just ends up becoming Santa, and we get to see his journey with what that entails for him and his family. So my brownie's done. I'm gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes, get a couple of things put away, and then we will go ahead and give this one a try and see if it's the same recipe that I tried last time. My brownie's still pretty hot, so I figure while I'm continuing to let that cool down, I would show you the couple of masks for the advent calendar. So the mask that I opened up on day 9, which I did not vlog obviously, is the avocado and oatmeal clay mask. It's a purifying mask. So it is supposed to, hang on, I can't read it. Ooh, that sounds really nice. So the rich clay is supposed to help purge deep dirt and oils from the skin, and then the avocado and oatmeal helps to moisturize the skin for lasting softness. So that sounds like it'll be really nice for winter. And then the other one that I got is the sweet tea and lemon peel off mask, if it'll focus for you guys. My camera's been having issues focusing lately. All right, well, you don't get a picture in focus, I guess. And with this one, the metallic packaging makes it so hard to read. Oh my gosh. So allegedly, this one has the cleansing and oil absorbing benefits you expect from a clay mask, but then also has the all over toning and refining parts of a peel off mask. So both of these sound really nice. I definitely prefer clay masks over peel off masks. I just noticed that my skin reacts to them a little bit better, especially where peel off masks are a little bit harsher on your skin. But I am very excited to give both of those a try. I don't think I'm gonna do one of them tonight just because I honestly just wanna go eat my brownie in bed and watch probably some Christmas movies. Quite honestly, I'm kind of in the mood to go watch a Christmas movie. But otherwise I would definitely do a face mask, but I think I'm going to just wake up a little bit earlier, do one of those in the morning with you guys, and let you know what I think of them then. Let's go ahead and give this, the cup's hot. Okay, let's go ahead and give the brownie a try. Oh boy. You can see it's all, try to see, hang on. Oh, my water's in the way. Okay, you guys can see hopefully how just like ooey and gooey and delicious that looks. Oh my god. Yes, I am right-handed, but I don't want to try to switch which hand I'm holding the mug with, so here we are eating awkwardly with my left hand. Wow, this angle is not great. I've been wanting a brownie all day, so this is great. I feel like if I was using a little bit higher quality cocoa, this would be a bit better just because I'm using like the name brand stuff from Smith's, which is good, it's not great, but that's really good. I'm pretty sure that's the same recipe I used last time. As long as I remember, I will link it down in the description below for you guys. If I forget, somebody comment, remind me. I will get you guys this recipe because it is real good. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here for the night though, because like I said, I am pretty tired and just about ready to go to bed. I feel like this is another shorter vlog like they have been lately, which is honestly not a bad thing because it's quicker for me to edit and choking on my own spit. And you guys get less of me rambling as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed making a brownie in a mug with me. We will eventually be going to Gardner Village, I promise. It's one of the big things that I want to go do this year. Well, it's not like a big thing, but it's a big thing for me to go do this year because it's been a while since I've been. So we will be going sometime over these next few days. But other than that, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know down in the comments below what some of your favorite Christmas movies are, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!